Summertime is officially upon us here at Universal. Today is the opening day of Cinesational. The Epic Universe Preview Center is finally open. Dreamworks Land is finally open. Florida has definitely turned up the heat, and so has Universal. So let's go ahead and get into it and see what Universal has this summer.
So the Epic Universe store finally opened up this past week. We get to get a taste of what it's going to be like when we actually go and walk through that portal for Epic Universe next year. I'm really excited. Let's go see some merch. Let's go see those plans. Yeah, I want to check that out.
Preview Center is really cool. You can download the app and it has the QR codes conveniently located from the entrance inside the store as well. You can experience the augmented reality, kind of see the display come to life there, and it's really cool because it's impressive in person when you see it, but it just makes the display that you see come to life in a completely different way.
We all know that Epic Universe was supposed to be huge, it's supposed to be epic, but you really get like a good feel of it with the model that's in there. First of all, that thing is way bigger than I thought it was gonna be. Like, whatever you guys are seeing on camera, it's 10 times bigger in person. It takes up so much space, and it really makes you understand, like, this place is gonna be massive. They have a bunch of merch that they're gonna have there, but they have the How to Train Your Dragon, Ministry of Magic. They have everything that you could possibly need in this store. It looks so cool, you guys. I can't even tell you how awesome it is.
We finally made it in studios, and we're making a mad dash to Dreamworks Land before it actually rains because we didn't look at the weather today. And
it's a bad overcast.
We did. It's overcast, but yeah, we're just trying to get some stuff in Dreamworks Land. They actually just opened up a new treat stand where the old Kids Zone pizza place used to be. So we're going to see what they have and try to get this done as soon as possible because we're about to get rained on.
All right, we got our Boss Baby beignets. I'm sure there's nothing different from these in the Mardi Gras ones, but do I really need an excuse to eat beignets year round? No, I don't. So let's try them. Oh my gosh. Oh, these are so good. The man told me, he's like, you're gonna have to wait 2 minutes for them to come out because it's a fresh batch cooking. Is that okay? And I'm like, sir, yes, that's okay. Like, please give me the fresh batch of beignets. These are so good. These are so good.
I got the Can't Stop. The donut is basically your standard donut with sprinkles, and it looks like it has some buttercream icing on it. What can I say? It's a donut, sugary, but I do like the buttercream ice cream. It's a really nice touch because it adds that extra little bit of sweetness to the donut, especially if you don't get the donut fresh. Most likely it's going to be dry. The buttercream icing really saves that, so that's a plus in my book. Really good.
If my face looks a little shiny, it's not only because it's sweat, it's also because it's been raining on and off all day. And it looks like in Dreamworks Land, they actually shut down the play areas, the splash pads, pretty much anything outside the frog choir. It's all shut down when there's lightning in the area and it's raining. So if you plan on coming here, I would only expect to do like the indoor things like the show and Poppy's Playground. That's pretty much all that's open. Since it's raining and everything's closed, we decided to come and learn some new karate moves. So we're just waiting for Pro Live to start. So this and the Imagination Celebration show are the only things that are pretty much going to be open right now, and Poppy's Playground, but unless you have a 1-year-old, you probably won't care about that.
Hey, you guys like stir fry? Yeah. I love stir fry!
So we wanted to come here and see if there was anything new with Dreamworks Land. We did cover that in a previous video, and if you haven't seen it already, we will link that in the description below. But they've added some extra stuff, so maybe the land will feel a little bit more complete than it did before because there was some stuff missing. We experienced it in technical rehearsal, so this is nice.
So I'd say after a good hour and a half, like straight of just a torrential downpour, we're finally on our way again. So we're just gonna kill some time, go do some rides because this show doesn't start until 9 o'clock, so it's gonna take a while. Obviously we want to get there early. That's my advice to you with any new show, any new thing at Universal. Get there like an hour early, so enjoy the show. I'm excited. I wasn't like a huge fan of Universal's last nighttime show that they've had. I felt like the projections were very like, I couldn't tell what was on the screen. So I'm excited to see this. From what I've seen so far, it's like, it's next level. It's gonna be 10 times more clear. So let's see the quality of the show, because that's what I'm looking forward to the most.
this part. Universal is finally complete, and we can confidently say, do we have a nighttime show?
Yes. I have never wanted to actually stay to shut down the park to see the nighttime show at Universal before, like ever, because I did not enjoy the last one. I didn't think it was good.
Yeah, it
You
wasn't
guys,
worth staying for.
I promise you, this park is worth shutting it down for. Like, bring your wagons, bring your kids. It's amazing.
Either way, it was a good time tonight. We laughed, we cried, we got rained on. We had the full experience today. We didn't expect that. So if you like what you saw, be sure to subscribe, like the video. That helps us out tremendously. And with all the great strides that Universal is doing, we actually did do a comparison between Universal and Disney. If you want to see that video, you can click it right here. We'll see you on the next one.